I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, my hair looks crazy right now, okay? It won't by the end of this video, hopefully. So, today I feel like I have gotten to a place where this might be like my best base ever. So I'm gonna test this out, see how this goes, and see how we look all together by the end of the video. So if you guys wanna know too, let's go. Okay, so first thing, I'm going back to my bestie, the one I can depend on, the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin as a primer in the shade Universal. She brand new. I picked this, it was like a last minute thing that I got before the Sephora sale ended. That top layer looks different, but I'm not sure why I stopped using it. I think also like with this being my job, I just have to keep trying new things, but you know, that's also why sometimes you just stick with what you know? That's why I hate using a little scooper. Let's just blend that out. But then I'm also going to use this primer from Freck Beauty. That is what she is called, because it's a gripping primer. And ever since I got this during the Sephora sale, I've been liking this too. So before I go on with foundation, I set my primer with powder. This is from Dior. It's their Face and Body, which apparently is not sold at Sephora anymore. I think they're trying to phase it out altogether, and then we'll probably give us some like reformulated version, which is almost never as good as the original. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Thank you. And then just set all that with the LYS Natural Finish Skin Loyalty Blur Mattify and Set Spray. Ooh. And press that in. Alrighty then, I did not realize I was running that low. It's pretty much done. Y'all see that? It's gonna be the first foundation I ever finish. I'm gonna take my trusted Chanel water tint, if there's anything left. I gotta get another one. And I am going out of town. It never ends. It's always a bit, it's always something. Even when you're like, I'm just gonna stay at home so I don't have to spend no money. But you know, thankfully, you don't need a lot to cover your whole face. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. I think someone asked me, what is this brush? In one of my videos, I'm not sure which one, to be able to go back and answer your question. So this is from Smashbox. Oh no, it's from Makeup Forever. It's their 109 Wavy. Okay, and concealer, it's actually going to be the HAUS Labs Triclone in 41 medium.
I'm gonna use honey to set my under eye. LYS stick to contour. This MAC bronzer is the matte richer golden skin finish. And then this Rare Beauty blush in Love. Okay, now before I use setting spray, I'm just going to lightly dust this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush in number 3 on my, ooh, that was too much, under eye. Auntie Charlotte. Ooh. One size spray. And again, just push all of that into the face. So that is it for my face. We're giving Sideshow Bob realness today. Baby, look at my face. Yeah, I'm telling you, I just had to go back to Danessa because I've been feeling like something been a little off, baby. It's the fact that I wasn't using Danessa. But yeah, this is my base. This is for the most part what I've been using lately. I've been switching out concealers, playing around. I might switch back to Givenchy Prism Gucci, but this right here, also this Haus Labs concealer with the foundation, chef's kiss, okay, especially to wear throughout the day. But yeah, so if you guys want to know what I've been using lately, this is it. This is what I'll be sticking to for the future, but I feel like y'all already know that will probably change. But for right now, that's what we are sticking to. So I hope you guys like seeing what my pretty much go-to routine is. It is nowhere near the video that I did at the beginning of the year. So at the end of the year, when I go back, like, did we make it? Is this the full face I stuck with throughout the year? No, it is not, but it's still cute. So that is it for this video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.